Welcome to another unboxing. This comes from the United States of America, and this is from WAR-PIG76. They contacted me and said, mate, we want to become part of Mount Western Raceway, both in stocks and the customs. And I said, go for it. Send over what you can. And this is what we're looking at. The cars we're looking at here are stock cars that will go into various races, whether it be hot rods or whatever tournaments we have around the track. So let's just look at these. But look, there's a bit of a history here for me because 12 months ago when I started Hot Car Track, I came across another channel. You all know who it is. It's 3D Bot Maker. And the very first custom race was 3D Bot Maker racing WAR-PIG76. And I've just gone, man, that's what I want to do eventually, race customs. And here we are, WAR-PIG76 in Australia on Mount Western Raceway. So thank you so much, mate. As you can see in front of me here, we have some stock cars which will race in hot rods and various other tournaments in 2021. We've already seen a few cars here, so let's just keep continuing through this massive haul that WAR-PIG76 have sent through. Of course, the Bone Shakers, we all know how they go. They are incredibly fast and they do go well on the track. I've got a couple of the arts myself. This one here, the 84 Pontiac Firebird. What a cracker of a shape this is. I'm going to say it again, I've never seen this ever in the shops. I wonder how that would look as a custom. I think I've seen that race actually as a custom somewhere. Moving right along, this one here, we saw one the other day. This is the 68 Corvette Gas Monkey Garage. Cracker of a car. The 52nd Hot Wheel Collection Series. Nice big gold engine block sticking right out there. This one here is a crowd favourite, the 68 Chevy Nova. And you know what? I don't think I've seen a custom of this race anywhere. And I do have one, if not a couple of these. I think I might actually rip her apart and see what happens. The 71 911 Porsche. The decals on this are beautiful. This is the very first for me. You normally see these just in plain white in Australia, but the decals are stunning. Thank you, mate. That's a little ripper, which will go into a Porsche comp in 2021. Now this one here is the custom 71 El Camino. Beautiful paint job, beautiful colours. It's got some nice weight to it. Look at those big twin fan engine things at the back. Classic. There's one more to do out of this part of the haul, and it's this little geezer here. It's the 211 IndyCar. Got some nice weight to it. Solid metal by the feels of it, or solid die-cast I should say. I have received a few of these and I've seen a couple in the shops thinking, you know what, perhaps we should do an IndyCar race. So, you know what, let's start collecting them and put them on the track and see how they go. I'll take this out of its card and see if it rips down the track. If it does, we're on. I forgot to mention the cars previous to what we're looking at now, I think will require drivers for the various competitions. I will need to confirm that with WAR-PIG76. These cars here in front of us already have drivers. So this one here is the 69 Dodge Charger Daytona. A beautiful shape. I'm pretty sure I've seen a custom of this race down the track somewhere. We've seen the Shelby Cobra race on the track, and this goes extremely fast and handles Mount Western Raceway like you wouldn't believe. So nice choice of car there, WAR-PIG76. It's always interesting seeing the hauls from the United States coming over to Australia. You have such a different collection of cars. This one here is the 67 Camaro. Stunning looking car, I love the colours. Look at the flames on the side. Very nice. Now these two here, obviously we know what this is. This is the 55 Chevy Bel Air gases. I love the gases. And I'm pretty sure we're going to have just a complete race of just gases one day, because we're starting to get a collection of those. Now this one here, this really intrigues me. I've never seen it. Circle Trucker. Look at this little guy. What a ripper. Thank you, mate. Right in front of us we have 6 customs. Now these are going to race in Road Warriors 2021, and let's get stuck straight into the vans. This first one has a fair bit of weight, and this is called Rick and Morty van. And I think the name is Squanch Cruiser. Gee, I hope I'm right on this. I do apologise if I'm incorrect, WAR-PIG76. The Rick and Marty van, Squanch Cruiser. There you go. Beautifully built, nice and clean, and ready to take on Mount Western Raceway in either Vantastic or just stock standard Road Warriors. This next one is called it's just the white van, and this is called Heartbreak Kid. And the good thing about this van for everyone is a driver will be required to drive for WAR-PIG76 when this takes the track. So this one here will enter into Vantastic in 2021. The next custom from WAR-PIG76 is the Mitsubishi, and this is called Sun Devil. The Lancers tend to be really well suited for customizing and also racing on Fat Track. A very nice selection, and I reckon the Lancer Evo, the Evolution, will just rip it up as they always do on Mount Western Raceway. If you're thinking of sending customs in, do what WAR-PIG76 has done and send in quite a few at a time, because it will lock you in for quite a while. This one here we're looking at is the Dodge Challenger, and this is called Purple Nurple. I love the name, Purple Nurple. This sort of square, long, boxy cars, just, I don't know, for some reason the Fat Track just loves them. The next one we're looking at is called the Grim Reaper, a Mustang Black. Really got some weight to it. Very tidy build, and I really dig the colour of the green against the black and that little bit of orange. Very nice selection in colours. Man, I've really enjoyed tonight's haul. Unbelievable. This is the last custom. And if you don't know what it is, I think you better go watch Mad Max. In fact, go right back to the very first episode. You can actually see it on YouTube for free. Unbelievable. Check that out and just get involved, because you'll understand what this car is all about. This is the Interceptor. WAR-PIG76. You picked a cracker. Good luck racing in Australia on Mount Western Raceway.